When you and your students are working in the installed version of Microsoft Word, you will notice that instead of Immersive Reader, you have learning tools, which can be found when you click on View in the top menu bar and you select Learning Tools. This switches your view to a limited Immersive Reader view. You will notice that it has not removed the image. It has not changed the font so that the font is all the same size, color, and font style. However, you can make adjustments, including text spacing, turning on syllables, which breaks words down into their syllables. You can adjust the page color or theme from currently none to sepia or to a dark theme. Let's just switch that back to none. And you can adjust your column width, so the width of the text, from very narrow to a more moderate view. Finally, you can also select Read Aloud.
At age 7, a nobleman's son began training for knighthood.
You'll notice that your controls for Read Aloud appear here in the top right corner, and you can either play, skip to the next word, go back to the previous word, or even adjust a few settings. Now at this time, you can only adjust the speed that the voice is reading, or you can choose from 3 different voice selections. But again, as that text is read out loud, each individual word is highlighted. Though you do not have the full features of the Immersive Reader tool as you do when you're using Word Online in Office 365, you still have learning tools here in the installed version of Word to support struggling readers or even ELL students who are currently learning the language.